Tinnitus affects each person differently, from what it sounds like, to when it's most annoying, to how debilitating it can be. Our new tinnitus treatment solution tackles the individual nature of tinnitus head-on and is designed to deliver the one thing everybody wants: relief. Let's take a look at how our tinnitus hearing professionals can customize relief just for you. The first step is a tinnitus assessment with your hearing professional. During this important step, they will ask you questions to help assess the impact tinnitus has on your life. Next, a hearing test will be performed. This is critical as it precisely measures your hearing and can rule out any medical conditions. After your hearing test, the hearing professional will fit you with your tinnitus treatment solution. Using our patent-pending multiplex tinnitus technology, the product generates a soothing, comfortable sound stimulus that is programmed for you based on your individual hearing test results. In most cases, this initial sound stimulus will deliver the appropriate relief for your unique tinnitus. Additionally, our innovative multiplex tinnitus technology gives the hearing professional flexibility to fine-tune the tinnitus stimulus to your precise needs. If further refinement is needed, our innovative SoundPoint tinnitus tool enables you to pinpoint your preferred sound settings, which your professional can program into your tinnitus treatment solution. During the testing part of your evaluation, if it was found that you have hearing loss as well, this product can also provide amplification, which your hearing professional can customize for you. Within just a few hours total, you'll be on your way with a small, discreet, and comfortable treatment solution designed to soothe your tinnitus, take your mind off it, and deliver all-day relief.